สวัสดีครับ Today I'm gonna read about the rainforest of the sea. This reading is talking about animals and plants that live in the sea. Under the clear blue sea, there are beautiful underwater cities that are rich in life. They have been around for millions of years, and they hold communities of ocean creatures that live there. These cities are coral reefs. Coral looks like rock, but it is actually made up of tiny clear animals called coral polyps. The bright color of coral comes from tiny seed plants called algae. Coral and algae depend on each other to live. Coral may feel tough, but it's sensitive. Today, many coral reefs are dying, and there are many reasons why. First of all, the oceans are getting warmer. This kills the algae, and so the coral reefs lose their color. And food, water pollution, fishing with dynamite, as well as the careless collection of coral also destroy coral reefs. If we don't take action, other reefs will die in around 20 years. This will lead thousands of sea creatures to extinction. We can help save the world's coral reefs by joining an environmental organization like Reef Relief is worth a try. So, as a student, we have to take care of our oceans, seas, and rivers is to not throw trash and garbage at the seas, rivers, and oceans.